We have been looking at the accounting equation. Formally, it's assets equal liabilities plus owner's equity. And I've described it to you as what equals who. We can also, taking a look at that, begin to take a look at accounts. And what do we mean by accounts? I can show in my formula, for instance, based on the previous example, that I have a $15,000 asset, a car. That the bank, where I got my loan, has a $14,000 claim against me, and my owner's equity is $1,000. If I were to just use these categories, yes, I could show my total assets, my total liabilities, and my total owner's equity. But so that I can manage a company or manage my finances, I would want to break that down to different accounts. So for instance, in this example, I might have an account called vehicles. And under that vehicles, I will show $15,000. The liability, the note that I signed to get the car, I would show that as notes payable. That is a note that I signed that I have to pay back, $14,000. And then I could actually have an owner's equity account for this purpose, and we'll show $1,000. I might have other assets too. I might have a computer that I show as office equipment, or I might have machinery. Hopefully I have cash, which is an asset. I might have accounts receivable, which is an asset. I can actually sell my accounts receivable, and hopefully my account receivable turns into cash. But we can actually start building accounts, and these accounts make it possible for us to summarize information so that we can actually manage our finances and manage the company. Overall, assets equal liabilities plus owner's equity. But before we start talking about debits and credits, we have to understand accounts. And accounts fall within our accounting equation. So vehicles is an account that is an asset account. Notes payable is a liability account. Owner's equity is owner's equity. We'll show some other breakdowns of that in future segments. But our accounts fall within our major categories of our accounting equation. And that is assets equal liabilities plus owner's equity.